Welcome to this Wood Solutions presentation on termite attack of timber. This is one of the key mechanisms for timber's natural breakdown. Timber is subject to natural breakdown by termites, insects and other land and marine organisms. This presentation concentrates on breakdown by termites. Termites are cellulose-eating insects that occur in almost all parts of Australia. There are more than 350 species of termites in Australia. Most of those just eat grass. About 20 termite species cause commercial damage to timber structures, and they are the most significant insect pest for timber in buildings. Termites fall into two groups: subterranean termites and dry wood termites. Subterranean termites develop and maintain their colonies in the ground. They can't live in the sunlight and they build tunnels through the earth and around obstructions to reach the cellulose that they need for food. If they have to cross an exposed surface, they build moist earth galleries over that surface and they move through those. Termites must have a constant source of moisture, and they get this from the soil, the wood they infect, or moisture sources from around buildings, such as taps and watered gardens. Subterranean termites don't respect property boundaries. They will travel underground in search of food, often up to 50 metres from their original nest. Some North Australian species have been known to travel much further. Dry wood termites are found in damp tropical climates, usually north of Cooktown in Queensland. However, introduced species can be found as far south as Brisbane. Dry wood termites do not require contact with the ground and they rely on moisture in the atmosphere. As they don't make galleries, they may be difficult to detect. This map shows the relative hazard for termite attack of timber. Zone D is the most hazardous, and this is found in the hot northern areas of Australia. It is home to the more voracious termite species, Termite darwiniensis. Zone A is the least hazardous. This is confined to Tasmania, where it is too cold for destructive termite species to establish themselves. It is important to remember that termites eat any cellulose available as food. Termites don't just damage structural timbers. They can and do also eat plasterboard, carpets, books, artwork, clothes, electrical insulation and fit-out timbers. Termite management approaches include: first, excluding the termites from the building. This involves keeping them away from cellulose available as food and inspecting the building regularly to find and break telltale termite galleries. Second is to use resistant or treated timber. This is to ensure that the cellulose in the timber is unavailable as food for the termites. So, in summary, timber is subject to natural breakdown by termites, insects and other land and marine organisms. Termites are cellulose-eating insects that occur in most parts of Australia, and they are the most significant insect pest for timber structures. Visible galleries indicate termites are active. Regular inspection is an effective part of management. Resistance to termites is provided by natural durability of heartwood and treatment of the sapwood.